Microsoft Project 2013 Certification. The certification program is designed to test an individual's ability to effectively use Microsoft Project 2013 to plan, manage, and execute projects, as well as to provide an understanding of project management concepts and principles. Benefits of getting certified in Microsoft Project 2013. Enhanced skills and knowledge. The certification program provides individuals with a comprehensive understanding of project management principles and techniques using Microsoft Project 2013. Increased career opportunities. The certification demonstrates an individual's proficiency in using Microsoft Project 2013 and project management concepts, which can help open up new career opportunities. How to prepare for the Microsoft Project 2013 certification exam. Understand the exam objectives. Review the exam objectives to understand what topics are covered. Use official Microsoft study materials. Microsoft provides study materials such as books, online courses, and practice exams. Practice with Microsoft Project 2013. Gain hands-on experience with Microsoft Project 2013 by working on projects and using the software to perform tasks related to the exam objectives. Microsoft Project 2013 Certification Exam Format and Structure. Exam format. The exam is a computer-based test that consists of multiple-choice questions. Number of questions. The number of questions in the exam varies, but typically ranges between 40 to 60 questions. Exam topics. The exam covers a range of topics related to Microsoft Project 2013, including project planning and scheduling, resource management, task management, budgeting, and reporting. Overview of Microsoft Project 2013 features and functionalities. Resource management. The software allows users to manage project resources, including people, equipment, and materials. Budgeting. Microsoft Project 2013 allows users to create project budgets, track project expenses, and forecast project costs. Reporting. The software offers a range of reporting options, including Gantt charts, task lists, and custom reports. Career opportunities for Microsoft Project 2013 certified professionals. Project Manager. Microsoft Project 2013 certification can be a valuable credential for professionals seeking to become project managers. Project Coordinator. Microsoft Project 2013 certification can also be useful for professionals seeking to become project coordinators. Program Manager. Program managers are responsible for overseeing a portfolio of related projects and ensuring that they are aligned with organizational goals and objectives. Conclusion. The certification validates your ability to plan, execute, monitor, and control projects using the Microsoft Project 2013 tool, enabling you to deliver successful projects on time and within budget. Moreover, the knowledge and techniques gained through the certification process can be applied to various industries and sectors, making you a versatile project manager.